Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going kayak fishing with my wife. I hurt my back at the gym back on Thursday, and I think I went on Friday, but my back hurt so bad and it was so stiff on Saturday. But today I think I'm a lot better, so I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna take it easy and fish my familiar spots. Hopefully I can catch some bass and pike. For my setup, I'm still using the Ugly Stick medium heavy rod with Shimano Autograph 4000. I've been loving this combo. I think it's perfect for bass and pike. Huh? Oh, it's a fish! Oh, I got a pike! Oh, it's each size. Yeah, we can keep him. Oh! Oh! I hate this part. Oh! Oh! Oh. Do you want to look at him? Yeah. Do you want to kiss it? No. Okay, I'll keep you in the cooler. I really like its white and flaky meat. I think it's really tasty if you prepare it right and get rid of the white bones. There's a weed bed down here, so I'm gonna give it a try. I saw a beaver. I think my rod almost hit him. Okay, no fish. Oh! I got a fish! He jumped off. Oh! Wait, let me see. Oh, where did you hook him? Oh, is it a bass?
I think it's bass. Small trout. What is this?
Oh, I think it's a bass.
It's just small, but he's going to die, right?
Oh, you can let him go. I think belly should be fine. Yeah.
Bye. Oh, he's gone. That's a bass one.
Baby bass. I think I wasted way too much time over that extremely weedy area. It's so shallow and it's so hot today, so I doubt it holds any fish. I think over here is slightly better. You got a fish? Oh! Oh, you got a fish! Wait. Is it a bass?
His eyes are red. Is he sick?
Oh, that's not a bass. Oh, it's a bluegill. So we can keep him. Oh, I can use it for catfish. Yeah, I'll call it a day. Oh, it is kind of slow today, but I'm getting really hungry, so I think we're gonna head back. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click subscribe if you like this video. I'll be posting every Friday afternoon. I'll see you guys on the water.